Alright y'all, making a different kind of video right now. This is my 96 Lincoln Continental, and I'm going to name it that. I'm trying to do struts on this. I was today. If anybody owns one of these and they're looking up this video, then they know how fucking expensive struts for these are. Besides Strutmaster. Strutmasters are the cheap ones, and that's what these are. I don't have any idea how long these have been on here, but the car has 199,000 miles. So, anywho, I was trying to put Ford Taurus struts on this, so I want to give an update on this because I can't find much information. First off, here's the Taurus strut. The thing that is one issue is that the strut mounting plate bolt pattern is wrong, as well as the thickness of the strut input. These are too skinny. So even if you change the strut mount surface, it doesn't fit into this. So, warning to anyone trying to do this, it's a waste of fucking time. Don't try it. I didn't find much information, that's why I give it a shot. It didn't fucking work. So, now I'm back to square one, and I'm gonna buy some expensive ass struts. Thanks for watching, y'all. Later.